Hi, folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming with another cool product. This is from Withings. You can go to Withings.com. This is their Body Plus Body Composition Wi-Fi Scale. And it's pretty darn awesome. It has a multitude of features, and of course, it has the great Withings name. I got to tell you, years ago, I lost about 75 pounds with the help of my Withings scale and being able to monitor what was going on. Of course, knowing that the product was solid and gave me great data that I needed to do well with monitoring my weight. It's got body composition analysis, works with 100 plus apps, up to 8 users can use it, Wi-Fi synchronization, and it's got baby and pregnancy modes. So you can use that if you're monitoring your weight, if you're pregnant, having a baby, etc., etc. And it partners up with all these different apps. It's got high accuracy where it gives you highly precise measurements of up to 0.2 pounds. Position control is part of the way that it takes and uses its technology to make sure you center your weight easily with on-screen visual cues. It's got gravity compensation. Turns out wherever you are on the globe can vary your gravity. So that makes a difference in your body adjustments, and it'll take and compensate for that. On top of weight, it'll measure fat mass, muscle mass, water, bone mass, and trending weight that you're taking and doing over time. You can see yourself in a better mirror with your history available 24/7 through the HealthMate app. You can do nutrition tracking as well to see how you're burning calories, etc., etc. Whole family, up to 8 users can use it. They'll even give you a weather forecast daily on the screen, and it will operate for up to 18 months using 4 standard AAA batteries that are included, and you can get good support for advice on your pregnancy and follow it along with the pregnancy tracker. I got to tell you, I've been using it for the past little while. I love it. It's got automatic synchronization where it goes right up to the app for you. You don't have to deal with it. And I love it. I love it. It's just great to be able to track. And you know what? It's got that Withings quality that I've always come to expect with Withings products and everything we've reviewed. Go to Withings.com and check out their Body Plus Body Composition Wi-Fi Scale. I think you'll like it. I love all their products. We reviewed a number of them on the Chris Voss Show. Be sure to search for those as well. Thanks for tuning in. Give us a like. Subscribe to us on YouTube. We'll see you next time.